皆さん、こんにちは、ジョアナです。So, as I told on Friday's video, or Saturdays, I'm not sure right now, but I showed you notes that I made as a present to a student that was coming where I live. So she was currently living in Japan, and she gave me a lot of Japanese stationery. So I would love to show you guys how it is and try it out with you. So let's go. So first of all, she gave me a lot of cute stuff of Detective Conan that I really like. Wait a second, I have here more things. Stickers, postcards. Detective Conan postcards. Then she also gave me a lot of stickers that I also really like. I love using stickers while I do my Japanese notes, so they will be really cute and practical. In Hotomoto, they gave her these Doraemon stickers, so she also gave them to me. I really love them. And also this Rilakkuma stickers, super cute. And this cute stickers too, that I really love. Also, she gave me this post-it notes, also very practical and cute and useful. I love this stuff. And also this keychain, very cute. I don't know the character, but very cute. And also this Tipex, Detective Conan Tipex, that I absolutely love. And this Doraemon pens, or markers that are super cute too. We will try them out later because she gave me all these pens, and with you guys we will try out how they write, etc. I'm very excited about this. She also gave me this Doraemon masks. Well, I'm a big Doraemon fan, so she knows about this, and she gave me a lot of Doraemon stuff. And the masks are super cute. And then she also gave me this Kanji notebook, Doraemon Kanji notebook too. Super cute, and it's very fun because it comes with an explanation of Europe for kids in the beginning, an explanation of not discovery, how the telephone was made at the end, also for kids. So it's very fun to see this and to have this. And inside it's a regular kanji notebook that I like too much, and I don't know how I will use it, or it will be complicated to use it because it's so cute. Also this, I don't know what this is called in English or in Spanish either, but for separating and putting the pages here, Doraemon too. And actually here in Spain they don't sell this type of, at least that I know of, that they come already with separations here, so you can put a page here or here and it's divided. So I really love it. I think I will use it to put my kanji lists here, and yeah, I love it. And last but not least, she gave me also this notebook, and actually this size of notebooks, and it's also inside its line notebook. I love this size. Many years ago when I was studying in the university, a friend of mine, she went to Japan and she gave me a notebook that looks exactly, it's not from Monster SA, but a very similar notebook. And okay, I have it here, wait. So she gave me as a present this notebook. As you can see, it's the same size as this one, just a little bit more thin. Currently I am using to write my diary in Korean and practice. And I fell in love with this size and the pages inside the lines. But however, I searched online, I searched on AliExpress, etc. and I didn't find a notebook this size because it's not quite a regular paper size, just a little bit smaller. And I'm so glad that I never talked with her about this, but I'm so happy that she gave me one of this. And for sure, when I go to Japan, I will grab a lot of this. So I'm absolutely in love with this notebook, and because I love it so much, I also don't know how I will use it. I will try to make my best to make it super cute inside and super useful. And also, she gave me these two Doraemon manga. They are perfect, I know. Super cute. Like special editions. I still didn't read this one because, well, it's Thursday and I met with her on Sunday. I started this one and it's absolutely amazing because if you are currently a Japanese beginner, that I imagine you are because you are watching this video, and you would like to start reading manga, wow, this is super easy, really easy. I did have another Doraemon manga in Japanese, and well, I did read it like many years ago, so I don't have a good memory recollection right now, but for sure this one, this edition, special edition, let's say, it's super easy. It's like a collection that has like the more read or something Doraemon manga, Doraemon stories, or the most popular, I don't know. But I know it's a special edition, so I don't think it will be that easy to find it on the internet. But if you are living in Japan and you are starting to learn Japanese there, definitely you can buy this one because it's very easy and also very cute, and the stories are short. So if you feel overwhelmed while you read, you will not with this one because you are just reading 4 pages and you finish. So very good. And yeah, I'm excited to read this one too, but I still didn't read it. I see that inside there are like book-like explanations, so I didn't actually even check it out, but I'm not sure. Can you see? I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I'm excited. So this would be the overall what she gave me. So I still didn't do it. Let's try out together how these pens actually write, and I'm very excited to check it out. So give me a second. Okay, let's go. So I have a page here, a blank page that I folded, so I can see if the pen actually comes through the page and also how it writes. So where should I start? Well, all the pencils, of course, we will not try them out because they are pencils. So, but they are Shin-chan pencils, and I also love Crayon Shin-chan. I always watch it because in Spain in YouTube you can find the episodes in Japanese, so I usually watch it on YouTube. So all the pencils are super cute. I love this thingy here. I'm excited to use them. Another Shin-chan pen. Pencil. Another like Kuma-like bear pencil. Very cute. Another pencil over here. But really, the pencils in Japan are very cute. Look. Another pencil. And I think this is the last pencil, also a Shin-chan pencil. And the rest, I think, should be pens. Oh no, sorry. The last Shin-chan pencil over here. Okay, so this would be all pencils. Let's check out the rest. So, second. I'm very excited to use them, but at the same time I feel kind of bad because something Japanese and to use it, but well, I have to use them. Oh, I didn't notice a Doraemon ruler. Wow, I love it. Look, super cute. I didn't notice it. It was inside of all these things, so I didn't actually see it. And also this, she told me, is a marker that looks like lipstick, but we will not open this now. We will open all the pens. So first pen, marking pen. let's see what to expect. Okay, so I need to open it over here. I feel sad to throw all these things, but why should I keep them? Okay, so this would be the marker. We have like regular tip, I think, size. Oh, and very huge one, big one. So let's write the kanji for, I don't know, eat with this. Oh, sorry. Okay. It's kind of thin, actually. So it feels thin. Let me write another one very quickly. Yeah. It looks very wide, but the feeling when you write with it, it's like quite thin. I like it. Let's go with another one. It's another marking pen, so also it's the same brand, but I imagine this will be much more thin. It is a marker, but this looks more like a regular pen, but it's not. So we have two tips. A very thin one here. Okay. And here a more big one. So let's write the same kanji. Okay. So this would be the one that I wrote right now. So this tip is thinner, but it writes more, how can I say? When you write it, it's more big, so it's quite interesting. And the more thin one, yes, but while you write it, it's so like the flow of the kanji strokes is very, very, how can I say? Good feeling. Let's move on with this one here. This one looks very, very cool. Where should I open it? So this, here, good. Okay, so this one I didn't need to break it, so I think I will keep it to have the pen inside. Wow, this looks awesome. So we have the usui, the thin over here, and the more wide over here. So let's start with this one is supposed to be more big. Wow. Okay, so I'm in love with this one. It feels like a brush and it's very gentle. So I really liked this one. And this is supposed to be the more thin. Yes, so. And it feels awesome. But surprisingly, it is gray. So, well, not that surprising because this was gray. I didn't read it or anything. I just opened it, so. Right, it says. Yeah. I love it. The feeling of writing with this, the kanji is very, very awesome. So, last one. This one here. Let's try it out. So this, I need to open it. Like, I have no idea, like, how should I open it? There is an opening here, okay. Okay, good. Good, done. Okay. Wow. This looks so good. Okay, so here we have the more wide and here the more thin tip. So let's start with the bigger one. Wow, okay. Okay, this one is by far the more wide one. but it feels like a brush, and it's amazing to write with this. It feels like a brush. And let's go with the more thinner tip. And the thinner is way more thin. Wow. So it didn't come through here, but it did kind of come pretty clearly here. Well, actually, the first 3 that I wrote came through the paper, but the other ones didn't. So that's amazing, because usually a regular marker comes already through the page, so I'm very surprised. And because we are here already, let's try the Doraemon markers out. How they paint. So I will choose, for example, this one, the pink one. And let's try it out. Wow, very cute color. It's actually the same color as the tip. That's not really, at least the ones that I usually buy, they are not the same color. Okay, we have blue. Very cute blue. It comes also with gray, so I'm surprised by that, because it's not like, it's curious marking something with gray, and it looks very pretty, very pretty. And we have yellow too. Very pretty yellow. And last one, this turquoise green. See? Yes, very pretty. So this would be the marking colors. And you know, let's just open this one too, and we will have tried everything. ちょっと待って。Okay, so I'd opened it, but it's still like that. Doesn't matter, I will try later. So it does come out like that. Okay, she told me it was a marker, but I think it's a crayon. Well, definitely it is a crayon, like the feeling. Yes, and it says here, crayon this. So it's a crayon, but wow. It's actually a very cool touch, like how it writes, it's very cool. But well, this is more for painting, I imagine. I don't know, but also very awesome. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you liked this video, and see you in another one. Mata ne!